You guys can hear me? Guys, can you hear me? Okay, just let me share my screen. Let me share my screen. Okay, so I'll do one thing. Let me stop this machine, stop it, and now I'll do one thing. I'll just start our regular machine which we used to start. So I'm just starting this Ubuntu machine. Okay, so till now, like we were very much excited to understand about the Linux command, and definitely we have seen a lot of good commands which we are going to use in frequently real-time production environment and in the IT industry also, right? So hopefully you guys are doing practice because practice makes man perfect. This is the only one quote I know from my kid time. Okay, so I just started my machine. I'll do one thing. Let me log in here with the help of Learnomate. So what is the Learnomate password? It's Oracle. I'm just logged in here. What else we need? Let me log in. Okay, so it started. Okay, so this is what we have done. Now let me do one thing. Let me open the terminal, and whatever commands that we have discussed till now, let's do the little bit recap. Okay, so we discuss about what is the pwd command. So pwd command is present working directory. That will tell me that where I am right now. So right now I'm in Pune location. So this is my current location. How many files are available in the current location? ls-lrt. So if I fire ls-lrt, so this will list me the number of directories and the number of files which are available here. Now if I want to go inside the directory, we use cd command and F1. So now I'm going inside the F1 directory. What I want to do, I want to come back from the directory. I want to come back now. So I will say cd dot dot and I will be back from the directory. Okay, I'll be back from the directory. Next part is like, let's say I want to create a new file which is an empty file. We can use touch command also, like let's say touch r1.txt. so this is created a new file which is an empty file. If you want to create a new file and you want to, what do you want to do? You want to edit that file, so you will say vi r1.txt. so vi editor we are going to use. If you want to insert something, you will press I'll write down I am good man, you are also good man. If you want to save, I will go to the command mode, escape :wq to save it. So if you want to install any package, apt install and package name. What is the package name? Install. Package name is whatever you want to do. Let's say I want to install the package with the name sshd. But this command you need to run by using which user? Root user. So currently my user is Learnomate, and if you want to switch user, switch user, the username and username password is, now this way I can. If you want to come to your home directory, simple cd command. And if you want to open any file, so we already seen, if you want to open any file, we have already seen veditor is there. So these are the commands that we have discussed from last 3-4 days, and now we need to continue with the remaining command, correct? So first of all, if I'll log in here with switch user Learnomate, let me log in with Learnomate user. Okay, I'll go to the desktop. So I'll say cd and desktop. I'm inside the desktop now. If you just press tab now, automatically the name will be completed. You don't need to type a complete name. cd de and press tab, automatically the name will be completed. Now if I just say ls-lrt, what I can see here, so I have a file here with the name, let's say oracle.txt, db.txt. I will tell you some of the commands which will, let's say you want to, what do you want to do? Let's say you want to open a file. So I will tell you some of the file opening commands. Like whenever you are in a situations where you want to open a file, what do you want to do? You want to open a file. So how you can open a file? So one option is like we can use editor and your file name, which we already know. editor is mainly useful when you want to open a file and when you want to edit a file or you want to play with the file. So that is like a editor. If you simply want to open a file, you can use cat command also, cat file name. This is also, so this will open a file on your terminal. So on the terminal, you can see the complete content. Third option is you can use more command also, more file name. So this way, like, you can open a file slowly. I'll show you what is the difference between that. When you see practically now, you'll understand it. You can use less command also. So this will open a file with pages. We can also use head command, head, to open a file, and second is tail command also. So how it is working, right? Let's try to see one by one. So editor, you already know how to use editor, you already know. Now if I use cat and the file name is, let's say, if I say cat and the db.txt, if I run this command cat and db.txt, press enter, the file has been opened and you can see the content of that file here only. The file has been opened and you can see the content of file here only. So see, right now in my file I have some 10 lines are available. So you can use cat command. But let's say I have lakhs of text are available, lakhs of lines are available, then cat command is not that great. So cat is a command to open a file, but this is mainly recommended when you have a small file. So you can use cat command. Now let's take an example. I have a big file. Okay, I'll do one thing. I'll just take the content from some chat GPT or anywhere, and I will create a big file. So I'll open this. Okay, Firefox. Okay, let me open the Firefox, and I will use chat GPT and I'll ask like, okay, I need some 100 lines. Okay, so let me open the Firefox. Okay, I got it. Let me use chat GPT. Chat GPT. Can I open it without login password? Let me see. I can try for Claude also. It should not ask me, just open. Okay. Get me 200 lines related to data engineer and database. Okay, so I'm asking chat GPT. I'm just giving a small prompt. Can you get me a 200 line of content? I'm asking chat GPT. So chat GPT, this is called prompt engineering. Now it is going and checking and giving us the result. Okay, all these things related to the chat GPT, Claude, and everything you will understand in our generative AI program. We have a program called generative AI. In that we will try to understand about agentic AI, prompt engineering, NLP, many things are there. So there we will explain you one by one. But see, I will recommend everyone start using these AI related tools also, like chat GPT, Claude. It's been a long time I did not done the Google also. Nowadays no need to do Google because everything is available on chat GPT. One way chat GPT is really good because whatever you need, within a second you will get that particular content. But generally, like, when you read the blogs, when you read other things, while you are reading let's say you are reading books or blogs, your data is there, like whatever you're expecting, that is there. But apart from this, you will see multiple other things also. Chat GPT will only give you the answer that you are expecting. तो जनरली क्या होता था पहले कि जब हम लोग कोई चीज़, मतलब किसी चीज़ को अगर ट्रबल शूट करना है, तो दुनिया भर की चीज़ें हमको पता चल जाती थी कि अच्छा ये तो है ही, इसके अलावा ये भी पता चल जाता था। ये चैट जीपीटी की वजह से क्या होता है कि जो मेरे को चाहिए वही दिखता है। दिस इज टेकन टू मच ऑफ टाइम। कैन आई आस्क क्लॉड? इट शुड नॉट आस्क मी। ओके, we say in this now we cannot copy the data from your Windows to virtual machine. That option is not enabled actually. That is the reason I'm not using my Windows operating system. Okay, we have this perplexity also there. Okay, so this is also one good AI tool, you can use that. So Claude is there. Claude is good for your especially when you are doing coding and all. Chat GPT is good when you are doing some research kind of things, we can do that clearly. Let me enter. Whoever give me result, actually it's a problem of internet, I believe here. Let I just need 200 line. Oh, it's time. I can take it from anywhere also. Get me quickly. No? Who else can give me? Give me this 200 line. Why I need the big content? Because I want to show you the head command, tail command. For that we need more lines. So then and only then it will looks better. Google also we can use. Google. Google Gemini. No, the internet itself is a problem actually. Yeah, it's not moving quickly. Anyway, let me do one thing then. I'll just take the content from here only. Okay, let me take the content from here. Meanwhile, I'll just copy this content. पसीना नहीं छूटे इसको देने के लिए, मेरे दे देना भाई, जल्दी दे देना. Mhm. Okay, I'll show you here then. No worries. I'll just open this here and here. Let's create a file. Vi. What is the name you want to give? File.txt. I'll just give some random name. Insert and let me paste. So this is the content which I added here. Okay. Let me add few more content. I'll just use some more content. So I'll just copy that and paste it. Okay. Paste it. Okay. Let me save it. Okay. So we have done that. Okay. We have done that. Now consider a situation that I want to just consider a situation that I just want to use cat command. So if I say cat file.txt, you can see so many files are come, so much of data is coming on my terminal here, right? That is the main problem. But consider a situation that I just want to see, consider a situation I just want to see some of the content, like I can use this more command, more, and what is this file.txt. If I run this, can you see here the file has been opened with 73%. So slowly this file will be opened. If I press enter, you can see here that slowly you can see the file is getting opened, and now it's open. So whenever you have a big file and you want to just read one by one line, so that time we can use more command. Apart from this, there is less command is also there. So less, let's say file.txt. So you can use this page. There is a page button is there on your keyboard, so you can use this page button also, like page up, page down. So this way you can open a file. Then apart from this, if you just want to close this, control C, control this one, you can use escape, you can use to come out of this file window. Then we have head command. Let's say head, and what is the file we have? Let's say file.txt. So you know what this head command will do? So head is the command to show you the top lines from your file. Actually, when you copy paste, now this is not showing properly because it consider it as a single line. Actually, that is the reason you see a lot of content. But consider that I have one more file here, right? What is the file we have? db.txt. How many lines are there? There are almost 10 lines are there. Now if I say head hyphen 3 db.txt, so this will show me the top 3 lines only. Can you see here? So whenever you have so much of content available in your file, but I don't want to see the complete content, I just want to see the top 3 lines or 4 lines or 10 lines, so you can use hyphen head command. Whenever you want to see the last line, tail hyphen 3 db.txt. Now you can make it 3 also, 4 also, whatever it is. But sometimes, you know, when you are getting any error message, generally you will find the error message at the bottom of your log file. So I don't want to open a complete file now because it's very difficult to troubleshoot. So that time we use tail command. So what is the purpose of tail command? Whenever you want to see the last line, last few lines, tail command. Whenever you want to see the top lines, head command. Whenever you want to read the file slowly one by one, more command. Whenever you want to see the file in pages, less command. Whenever you want to open a complete file on your terminal, cat command. Whenever you want to edit a file, that time we are using vi editor commands. So these are the file opening commands are there, which we generally use in the real-time production environment. So these are the file opening commands. Everyone should be aware about it. But as you know, when you want to troubleshoot, this tail command is very used, which is very important, tail command. So because many times what happen, your log file or your error log file will be very big. I don't want to open a complete big file, so that time we use tail command. There is one more command is there, like let's say tail hyphen 100f and the file name. If you run this command, you will see the last 100 lines, and what this f will do, this f will show you the real-time changes in that file. Real-time changes. Now let's say this file is getting updated, so that real-time changes you can see by using this. The real-time changes you can see by using this tail hyphen 100f, means last 100 real-time changes you can see. I'll show you this practically in when we see the data engineer or Oracle DB, when your file is getting updated, so that time you can see the real-time changes. Generally, when the file is having new content, we need to close the file and open a file to see the new content. But by using this tail command, you can see the real-time changes in that file. Tail command, tail hyphen 100f. So these are the file opening commands are there, which are very important when you are doing the troubleshooting and when you do the administration or whenever you got any issues. Able to understand, guys? File opening commands, is it clear? Is it clear? All these file opening commands, whatever we discuss, is it clear? Everyone, please let me know in the chat option quickly. Able to understand these file opening commands, which are very important. Okay, it's very simple. It's very simple. Is it clear? ठीक है. Okay, looks good. Okay, now the next command. Now the next command which we are going to see again, that those commands are also very important. See, consider that now I'm going to talk about another important command. We called it as a copy command. Copy copy command copy command So what is this copy command? See, many times, like let's say I have a file with the name abc.txt. This file is very very important, and I want to take the backup of this file. I don't want this file to be go anywhere, so I want to take the backup of this file. So how can I do that? Cp is the command. Cp the file is abc.txt, and you can give different name also. Like whenever you want to copy a file in Windows, how you do? Like let's say I want to copy this file. Let's say I want to copy this file. Do we have any file here? Okay, let's say I want to copy this file. So I'll say copy, control C and control V. So when you are pasting it, it will be pasted with some different name in the same location. See here, update in Hive and update in Hive dash copy is there. So whenever you are pasting in the same location, it will be pasted with different name. Similar way, if you want to copy a file, you can use the command like cp. Which file you want to copy? db.txt. And what is the target file name? db underscore backup.txt. Now if I do ls-lrt, you can see here that db.txt also available and db underscore backup.txt also available. You can give any name. If I open both file db.txt and cat db underscore bkb.txt, both the file have same to same content. See here, db.txt also same content and db backup also have same content. So whenever you want to copy a file, why we copy? Because there is a chances that someone may delete the file. So I can use copy command. So I have copied it in the same location. Can I copy it in different location? Yes, cp db.txt. Where you want to copy? I want to copy it under /home/learnomate folder. So when I run this command, the file is copied. Where? In the /home/learnomate location. So if I go into that location, /home/learnomate location, there also you can see this file is available, db.txt. When you copy a file in different location, you can give the same name. You can give same name also, or you can change the name also. Whenever you are not giving a name, by default the file will be copied with the same name. So whenever you want to copy a file in same location, so you need to give like abc.txt and the file name abc underscore backup.txt. Whenever you want to copy a file in different location, you can say copy a file to different location. Where you want to copy? Let's say I want to copy it under /home/learnomate in this location. If you don't give any name, so by default it will be copied with same file name. But if you want to give some different name, you can do like this: cp abc.txt /home/learnomate slash, let's say what you want, what name you want to give. I want to give same name, abc underscore backup.txt. So this way also you can do. So whenever you want to copy, so syntax is copy the source file location and target file location. Is it clear, everyone? Is it clear, everyone? Is it clear? Is it clear, everyone? Is it clear? Please let me know in the chat option. Is it clear? Okay, nice. If you want to copy from one server to another server, for that we have, let's say you want to copy a file from one server to another server like this, there is a separate utilities there called scp command. Okay, if you want to copy a file from one Linux server to another Linux server, we can use scp command. So that command also you can use. I'll show you in class, db class. There I'll show you practical case. Okay, so now the next part. Okay, the copy is done. So we discussed, like, how to copy a file. Now let's say I want to copy a folder. So let's say I am in desktop, ls-lrt. I have a folder called which folder? Let's say dir1. I want to copy this folder. So whenever you say like I want to copy this dir1, where I want to copy it under test1. All the files which are available under this dir1, I want to copy it under test1. Whatever things which are available under dir1, I want to copy it under test1. So for that, you need to mention -r. -r is recursively. Whenever you want to copy a folder, you need to mention -r. Enter. Now if I go to the cd test1 and ls-lrt, see, you can see dir1 got copied here. So whenever you want to copy the files and folder, whenever you want to copy a file, when you want to copy a file, very simple. But when you want to copy a directory, when you want to copy a directory, you need to mention cp -r from directory 1 to, let's say, directory 2. So whatever things which are available here, everything will be copied here. cp-r recursively you need to mention here. You need to mention recursively. Is it clear? Copy a directory, everyone. Copy a directory. Many times we are going to copy and all, like we are going to use this. Then is it clear, everyone? Copy command cp. So the naming convention you need to remember, cp, the naming convention. The next part is whenever you want to remove directory, how to do that? Whenever you want to remove directory, the simple command is rmdir and directory name. This is one command. Whenever you want to remove a directory, rmdir. Whenever you want to remove file, you can use rm command and file name. So generally, if you don't want to get confused, you can use simple one command which I use personally, rm space rf. Whether it is a file or it is a directory, this command will work. So rm space rf, remove forcefully. So if I go here, see here, if I just say cd ls-lrt, let me remove this db backup.txt. If I say rm db underscore backup.txt, the file got removed. See here, there is no file called db backup.txt. It got removed because I use rm command. If I want to remove directory, I'll say rmdir and let's say, what is my directory name? Test1. See, one thing is like, when you use rmdir, the directory should be empty. Otherwise, it will not work. So what we generally do, rm space rf test1. So this will remove your directory also, and rm space rf, this will remove your file also. Let's say I have file. So both. So this will work for both file and folder. rm space rf. But remember guys, whenever you are using rm command in real-time production environment, when you start your career in IT industry, before you delete anything, at least 10 times you need to think whether I should do that or not. If you remove anything wrong, then there is a very high chances that they will also remove you. So जब भी ऐसा कभी कुछ हुआ कि यार मेरे को अभी डिलीट करने का कुछ टाइम आया, instead of delete, try to rename it actually. But if you want to delete because maybe you want to save some space, at least 10 times you need to be very careful whenever you are running drop command, delete command, rm command. These commands are very, very dangerous because once you delete, very difficult to recover back. So you should be very careful whenever you are running this command. So whenever you want to delete, okay, whenever you want to delete or remove, there is a simple command like rm space rf, file name or directory name. Everything will be done. Is it clear? Is it clear? Yeah. If you have approval, then go for it. Okay. So at least 10 times you need to think whether I'm doing correct or not. Is it clear, everyone? Everyone, is it clear? Let me know. Is it clear? Everyone able to understand? Okay, fine. Okay, fine. Everyone, is it clear? Clear now, everyone? Whatever we discussed till now, right? Okay, nice, nice. I see that you people are understanding. So we are done with, okay, copy command. We are done with delete, like when you want to remove. There is one more command is there whenever you want to do rename. Like let's say, what do you want to do? Now let's say I want to remove or I want to do cut and paste. I would say there is a same command is there, rename, or whenever you want to move a file or directory. MV, let's say I have a file with the name abc.txt. I want to rename this file. So I'll give the name like abc underscore rename.txt. So you can use this. क्या हुआ इसको? हाँ क्या पता, इसको भी बड़ा टाइम पे रुको यार थोड़ा सा, कितनी झोल हुआ इसमें. समझ में आ रहा है आप लोग को? हिंदी में लेना है क्या? इंग्लिश वाले भाग जाएंगे. हिंदी में लेना है क्या? काय पाहिजे आहे हो? पाणी पाहिजे? अच्छा ठीक आहे, 2 मिनिट. Just give me 2 minutes, guys. My kid is asking for a water. चल इकडे. पप्पा, हा, हिंदी मध्ये बोलता का? इंग्लिश मध्ये बोलतो, मराठीत बोलतो, तू सांग काय बोलू? Yes, मला काही पण येते. तुला पण नाश्ता करायचा का? English. I can speak English. I can talk English. ठीक है? तू करायचं काय? हा? तर पाणी पूर्ण पे. मी जातो कॉल मध्ये, काही लागलं सांग मला. All right, so I'm back. What I was saying, if you guys have any issues now while with your app and all, you can reach out to the Learnomate support team. They will take your control and fix the issues, guys. अरे बाप रे, बहुत एसिडिटी हुआ आज. क्या कर रहे थे हम लोग? What we were discussing? Rename. Okay, so whenever you want to rename a file, you can use mv and the file which you want to remove. Let's say I want to remove abc.txt with which name you want to give. Let's say I want to give like name like abc underscore rename.txt. So this name I want to give. mv command is also useful when you want to move a file from one location to another location. Like let's say I have a file, I want to move the file from one location to another location. Just like cut and paste, So for that also you can use mv command. Let me show you. Let's say I have a file called r1.txt. I want to rename this mv r1.txt and I want to rename with r1 underscore rename.txt. So you can see here that you have only one file now, r1 underscore rename.txt. Why? because that file we have renamed now. That file we have renamed now. So mv is the command to rename a file. Mv is the command to rename a file. If you want to move a file or directory, you can say mv. I want to remove, let's say I want to move this file db.txt, where I want to move to /home/learnomate. See here, now this file is gone. Where it gone? See here, there is no db.txt. It's gone. Where? It is available in this location, /home/learnomate. So if I just say ls/home/learnomate, in that location you can see db.txt. So you can list the files from this particular location also. You don't need to go into that location. If you give the path, you can list the file from that location also. ls, give the path, and you can see the files from that location. So mv is the command to rename a file or folder, or you can move the file from one location to another location. Is it clear, everyone? Is it clear? Is it clear, everyone? Able to understand? Is it clear? Let me know. Clear now, everyone? Good to see Rakesh is saying yes, Prakash is saying yes, Chetan is saying yes, Lakshmi is saying yes, Jyoti is saying yes, Amit is saying yes, Anup is saying yes, Malik is saying yes, Abhishek is saying yes, Amruta is saying yes. Good to see that you people are understanding, hai na? So yeah, likewise we will see one by one. Lot of other commands are there. We will try to understand one by one. Okay. So don't worry about that. Today we discuss about how to copy a file, how to rename a file. We also discuss about some of the interesting commands related to file opening commands, like what is cat command, tail command, head command. We also discuss about, और कौन सी command ठीक है, v editor we have seen, more command is there, less command is there. We have seen so many commands are there. So one by one we are going to continue with this Linux session. So tomorrow is what? Tomorrow is Friday or Saturday? How's that? Tomorrow is Friday na? Can we continue tomorrow? What do you think? Generally I take the session by Monday to Thursday, but tomorrow should we connect so that we can close this quickly? Let's do one thing, let's connect tomorrow. Okay, let's connect tomorrow. Okay, since you people are very excited and you want to finish this quickly, so tomorrow also we will connect, and Saturday Sunday we will take off. Okay, so tomorrow I will talk about the users group, how to create a users, how to create a group. After that we will talk about the Linux level permissions. So all these things are very very important topics in Linux operating system, so we will take care of that also. Okay, so be ready, join by 7 o'clock by tomorrow, and we will continue this session till the time you guys are very much comfortable with the Linux operating system. So my suggestion will be, share, if you have not enrolled for your Oracle DBA or data engineers, please share this information with your friends, colleagues, because we have started a new batch of Oracle DBA as well as data engineer. So please share it, and yeah, hopefully we will be also seeing. Apart from this, we also have a lot of other trainings, like not only just these two trainings. We have data analyst also, we are starting today. Data analyst, data science, generative AI, we are starting today, so you guys can enroll for that. Rack is not going on right now. Rack we will start soon. Actually my PostgreSQL batch is going on. As soon as my PostgreSQL is finished, then maybe I will start with Oracle Rack or Postgres. Both which batch I want to start. Actually we got so many admissions for PostgreSQL also, as well as for Rack. Time is a constraint. अकेला आदमी क्या क्या करेगा, किधर किधर जाएगा? तो मेरे को एक ही सिर है, एक ही मुंह है, तो देखते। भगवान का दिया सब कुछ है, बट टाइम ही नहीं है, तो देखते। विल स्टार्ट, ओके, विल स्टार्ट समथिंग सुन, वेरी सुन. Actually my time is back right now, so as soon as I get some free time we will start, because see, as soon once we start the batch now, we don't stop for almost 2-3 months. We'll be like that. Okay, so that's the main. But you guys, keep learning. We'll take care of that. Thank you. Let's connect tomorrow by 7 o'clock and we will continue this. Thank you. Thank you, guys. Let's connect tomorrow. Okay, we'll take care of this. Thank you.